You better come ground me. Is this real mahogany? I love this house. Quite a nice staircase. Hey guys, I'm starting down the staircase. You better come stop me. Mom.
A laptop drive and everything drive.
So she doesn't have to delete any of us? Hey Dad, you're fired.
What gives?
Dad, where do babies come from?
Just like we practice at home.
Oops. Dad, look.
Way to go, son.
London, put that down.
Mom, my neck hurts.
That's a lot of turtle food. I'm kidding. It's great for people with sensitive skin.
Shut up! But does it work, Mom?
It's 3 months of liquid detergent.
What? That's messy. Be gone, plastic! So soft. I take my moon pal with me everywhere I go. So soft, he's cozy, and I love him.